Klein Tools non-contact voltage tester and outlet tester kit, model NC-VT1PKIT, comes with a non-contact electrical tester that detects voltage from 50 to 1000 volts AC. It can be used on wires, non-tamper resistant outlets, circuit breakers, cables, and cords. When the tester is on, it shows a green light. When voltage is detected, it shows a red light and it beeps. The outlet tester detects the most common wiring problems in outlets and GFCIs. The lights correspond to the code on the label. It also tests GFCIs. It comes with two AAA batteries.